Hi guys, back again. This is Wanie. In this video, I'm gonna talk a little bit about mixing and share a very quick brownies recipes with you. So, let's go. So basically, mixing is an operation in which the uniform combination of two or more components are formed. Air is a key ingredient in bread, which is added during mixing, manipulated and controlled during proof, and transformed into an interconnected sponge structure in baking. Gas cells must be incorporated into the dough during mixing to act as nucleation sites for the carbon dioxide produced during proving. This is because yeast is unable to generate bubbles from nothing. So, without these sites, carbon dioxide has nowhere to diffuse within the dough and will largely lost from the dough. So, moving on, there are many types of mixers such as paddle mixer, propeller mixer, impeller mixer, and tubing mixer. Well, in this recipe, I am using a hand mixer, which is this, my mom's. This hand mixer provides me with this two mixer, which is this is impeller mixer, while this one is a paddle mixer. This one is basically used to mix dough, but I'm not gonna mix dough. I just gonna mix a liquid mixture for cake, so I'll just using this, which is paddle mixer, because this one is practically used for liquid texture, while this one is used for dough. So just gonna use this. So moving on to the recipes. Well, that's the end of my recipes. So I hope everyone will have some time to do the brownies like I did. So, ta-da! What's it? This is the brownies that I made. Okay, look. Oh. Yummy. Bye.